Hi guys, I'm here with another tutorial in my FlexiCrochet series. I did a video last week where I shared how I filled in the cornrows at the back with bulk hair. I'm now about to fill in the top of my hair. Tomorrow is my Kickstarter launch in-person workshop, and so I need to fill in the top of my hair before I go ahead and get started with filling the top of my hair. It's in preparation for my glam look tomorrow. So I wanted to show a little bit about some of the challenges, like when your cornrow grows out, like how some of the challenges you would have with it and how incorporating a crochet install can still work. So this piece right here, I actually have a hairpin that holds it together. The hair is so fine that it came up, which is okay. On this side, I have a similar thing happening. And you know, this is standard for when your hair grows out of a cornrow, right? So these pieces, not too bad, but you know, they recede as they grow out. And that's really the main issues that are with it, but with the crochet, I can just reconnect those and the install will still be flawless.